this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the ninja class here in Bake or Die on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up the game itself. And if you look on the left-hand side menu, bro, Cake or Bob, please move, dude. I'm trying to farm right now. But if you look over on this left-hand side menu, hit this little classes section just like so, and then scroll down on here. And what you're looking for is Ninja. Select him, and you could go ahead and see that you can unlock him for 55 nuggets right here. Now, you can get nuggets by completing daily quests. Some quests will give you like 1, 2, or even 3 nuggets. So finish all of them if you can, and you can see those daily quests right over here. You can also earn these nuggets just by surviving and playing the games as well. But you could also go ahead and navigate into the nugget shop and purchase some for some Robux. Now, if you really want a cheap way to go ahead and do this as well, what you can do is just back out of the game fully, right? Wait for it to load a little bit and then join again. And once you actually join the game again, you're actually going to get a special promo that pops up in the very beginning saying that you could purchase 20 nuggets, the repairman class, and the ninja class for a total of 299 Robux. You can go ahead and do this as well just to kind of skip through the process. But that is every way that you can get the ninja class here in Bake or Die on Roblox. If you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.